Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited because this is our second ever Fold-it Club reveal. I know, I'm having so much fun with the Fold-it Club. I know all of you are too. Fold-its are so popular. Now, before I even tell you what the next one is, what is a Fold-it? Because some people might not know, and I understand that. It is a shaped card. It is a die set that has place fold here on the back. So when you fold your cardstock and run it through your die cut machine, it will make an A2 size card. Now, some when I sell them on my website for different things besides the Fold-it Club, they might be different sizes like slimline or mini slimline or 5x7. But the Fold-it Club 99% of the time is gonna be A2. And are you ready to see this month's set? It is so cute, I love it. It is the Snail Fold-it set. Now I know so many of you had requested this to be an actual Fold-it. So of course I had to, go into those requests and get it. But look how cute it is. Now, it also includes 3 little baby snails because sometimes you just need something really, really cute, right? Now, something interesting to note, the face is actually a separate die. Now, why did I do that? Because there is a stencil for because remember it comes with 2 stencils. So this is the first stencil, look at that, all these fun swirls. Yay, you're gonna be using this one for like every single theme you can think of, right? It even reminds me of confetti a little bit for birthdays. But the other stencil, let me show you, has stencil pieces stencil spots for the snail. So let's get this one out because it's really important. It has all of these fun, all of these fun things. So you have different faces. You have a happy face, you have a sad face. So that's why I did the die separate, because what if you wanted to stencil something different? It has a fun swirl for the shell. It has a little snail trail. You know how they leave that little slime? That's what that is. It's a little snail trail. And then some spots for the bottom of the snail and some fun little just extra embellishments for the shell. You're gonna have so much fun with this. Also, of course, Fold-it Club, you're getting a cute little card and it's showing you the 3 different items that you're getting in the Fold-it Club. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, like, how should I store these? Because usually one like really, really matches the die and one is kind of, like all over around, can be for everything, right? Well, this is my plan. This is how I plan to do it. I'm gonna be using the medium-sized stamp pockets from Totally Tiffany. So this is the medium size, not the small. And the nice thing about this is my snail fits in there perfect on a magnet. I just put a smaller magnet in there because it doesn't need a big one. And the stencil that matches is on the back. So the snail and the stencil that matches. But I'm not gonna put my swirly in there because yes, it does coordinate very well, but I figure this is gonna be much better in my Katie bag, and did I go out in my Katie bag envelopes that holds all my other stencils. Where did I put Katie? Here she is. All my other stencils. So open this up, and now all of my main stencils are gonna be in here, and this is the 8x5 storage pocket. So all of my stencils are gonna be in here. So this one will be added, but the one that matches the Fold-it is gonna go in the medium envelope. So it's gonna be right next to that die, so I can use it all the time. Now, boom, let's jump into my samples because I have some amazing samples. You guys all know I brag about my design team all the time because they are so amazing. Look at how cute this little guy is. See those little spots from the stencil? So cute. These little pieces here are from the stencil as well. Love it. Here's a cute one. Love this, using that fun little extra stencil piece that goes around there, and then the fun stencil on the tummy. I just love that little tummy. And then look, added our cute little rainbow. Love that. Now you can also put them on cards if you want to. So look how cute this one is. Cheryl did this one. Lots of 3D ink. Open it up, add a mushroom and that mini little snail right there. So cute. But look at how gorgeous that is. Totally different looks, right? You can go pink and cutesy, or you can go a little bit more realistic. You can also put it on a 5x7 card base if you want to. Look how cute that is. Absolutely love that. Fun little swirls. You can use your swirls in the background on this one. Or you could use that fun pattern swirls all over the shell. Isn't that cute? Such a cute idea. Love that. Adding one of our little faces to stamp on there. Love that. So cute. And then here's another cute one with the flower with sign background die set. So we have all of that awesome stenciling on there, the beautiful flowers in the background. Look at that shell. That looks realistic, doesn't it? Now, snails are very, very exciting in our home because Liam loves snails. Anytime we find snail shells, they are treasures. Of course, luckily there's no snails in them anymore, but yeah. They're a big deal at our house. So snails are so fun. Also a cute little play on snail mail, you know, because mail is so slow all the time. We call it snail mail, and it's not electronic mail, called email, right? Yay, I'm so excited. Now, if you're not in the Fold-it Club, now is your chance to sign up. If you sign up now, we can get this in the mail to you on the 1st like everybody else. You can sign up this entire month and you will get this snail shell, the Snail Fold-it, which is so adorable. And you get the 2 stencils as well each month. So much fun. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.